Welcome to Auto World, where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation, and today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Suzuki Baleno. Redesigned from the ground up, this hatchback has been reimagined to combine style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, all while maintaining the practicality that Baleno fans know and love. Let's dive into what makes this car stand out in the competitive compact segment. The first thing you'll notice is the completely refreshed design. The 2025 Baleno features a bold front fascia with a wider, more aggressive grille that's flanked by sleek LED headlamps. These aren't just for show, they provide excellent visibility in all conditions. Moving along the sides, the clean lines and sporty profile give the car a dynamic stance, while the alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. At the rear, the new LED taillights and redesigned bumper complete the look, giving the Baleno a modern yet timeless appeal. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and technology. Suzuki has clearly focused on making the interior more premium, with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and attention to detail throughout. The seats are well cushioned and ergonomically designed, offering excellent support for long drives. But the star of the show is the new infotainment system. The large, high-resolution touchscreen now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity for your favorite apps, navigation, and entertainment. A redesigned digital instrument cluster complements the setup, providing all the information you need in a clean and modern layout. The 2025 Baleno doesn't just stop at aesthetics and comfort, it's also a powerhouse of practicality and performance. Under the hood, Suzuki offers a range of engine options tailored to different driving needs. The base model features a 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, which is all about efficiency without sacrificing performance. For those looking for something greener, there's a hybrid option that blends fuel economy with an extra boost of power. The refined suspension ensures a smooth and composed ride, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open road. Safety has taken a front seat in the 2025 Baleno. Suzuki has equipped this hatchback with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and even a 360-degree camera system. These features aren't just buzzwords, they're designed to make every journey safer and more stress-free. Combined with a rigid chassis and multiple airbags, the Baleno provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. But practicality is where the Baleno truly shines. Despite its compact footprint, the car offers a surprisingly spacious interior with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo space is generous, and with the rear seats folded down, you can easily fit larger items, making it perfect for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The 2025 Suzuki Baleno is not just a hatchback, it's a statement. It combines bold design, innovative technology, impressive fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features into one compelling package. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a car that's easy to maneuver and park, or someone who needs a reliable and stylish ride for daily commutes and road trips, the Baleno delivers on all fronts. So, what do you think of the all-new Suzuki Baleno? Does it have what it takes to redefine the hatchback market in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Auto World for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything you need to stay updated in the world of cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Auto World. Keep exploring, stay curious, and drive safe.